Guys, today Sunday 8 of January vlog A, and today we are going to do a I don't know, like a candy. It's a type of candy, Japanese candy. Oh, sorry. Yeah, we're gonna try some out, and yeah. So also Tuesday, which is the 10th. Yeah, the 10th of January, I start school, so vlogs might be later at the day. Later, yeah. Anyways, yeah, let's try some out. So, we should show you what I got first. I got this. This is the first thing I noticed when I got it. Like, look. I got this. I know what this is gonna taste like. Looks so cute. Oh my god. These are super good. It's not my first time trying Japanese candy, or snacks I should say, but yeah. I'm just taking random things out of the bag. I ate some yesterday. It was like gum and anyways. We got some mints. And we got like a ton of these. We got 4 of these. This one's super good. I got this. You get some of the random things out. Like alright. So hold up. So there's like this, I don't know, it's a cracker and then a spicy, I don't know if it's spicy, is it? I have no idea. It's like a little beef stick. I forgot what this is. I know what it is, but I think it's like dried up meat, like a beef jerky. And then I don't know what this is, but it's like a I think it's a grape. I don't know. Anyways, we got some we got some I forgot what he's called. Pop Rocks. Yeah, Pop Rocks. We got some marshmallows. Hello Kitty. I've had these before. I forgot what they taste like though. A pie. And I have no idea what this is. But yeah. So now it's all over my desk. We're not gonna try every single one of these, but we put everything in the bag. Hold up, BRB. And we're back. Okay, so I want to make sure my mic is not too close, but the first thing we're gonna try is this. It's like, it has to be chocolate, a chocolate wafer, a wafer that's covered in chocolate. It has to be. So here's this. Oh my god, I might be right. Okay. I was right. It tastes good. I'm just afraid. Oh no, I'm just afraid you guys can hear me chew it. But yeah. super good. It tastes like a regular wafer you can find at the store. What should we try next? Let's try this out. It's like beef jerky. I'm sure it'll be a little spicy and sweet, if I'm correct. It looks like beef jerky. Okay, we're gonna open it. Okay. Smells like soy sauce, salt, maybe some vinegar. I don't know. It smells a little odd, but it's okay. It's a soy sauce. Yeah, definitely soy sauce. Anyways, let's take a bite of this. Ah. Okay, that kind of... Alright, hold up. It's good. It looks a little odd, but it's good. It's a little spicy. It tastes like sardines. I love sardines. Very unpopular opinion, but I think sardines are good. It's like spicy at first, but then you can kind of taste that sardine. I don't know if it has sardine in it, but tastes like it. Very interesting. Alright, let's try one more. Okay, let's try this. For Ricky. I'll finish the rest of that. I don't know what this is called, but I'll finish it later. Oh. Oh, okay. Let me show you guys. Okay. According to the pictures, I think it's just breadsticks with like flavor. Smells like it. Okay, here's a broken piece. I'll eat it. Yeah. It's good. It's just it's a regular breadstick. It has very little flavor, but it's still good. But yeah, it's good. But yeah. So we tried a Whopper. A little meat stick. I don't know what that is, but oh, and a breadstick. Okay, let's maybe try something sweet. I know I said that was gonna be my last one, but oh wait, I already did try something sweet. Huh. Actually, I kind of want to know what this is. I'll try it. Okay, I'll try it. I feel like it's cotton candy. Bubble candy. Soda. That's what it says. Okay, let's just try it. I don't want to open the rest. I just want to open one. There you go. I like how that's convenient. Okay. I don't like how it smells. It kind of reminds me of medicine. If it tastes like bubblegum, I'm gonna take it out. I don't like bubblegum. Anything flavored. It kind of tastes like bubblegum, but it's not. It tastes good. I like it. But yeah. Anyways, guys, I hope you like this Japanese candy unboxing. Yeah. I might do more in the future. So there's just so much that that's depending if it's still there. I actually do want to do more unboxing of these. So there's this one, and then there's this one, and this one. Oh, sorry, Mike. Oh, something dropped. So maybe in a few more vlogs, I'll do more unboxing of the Japanese candy and snacks. But yeah. I hope you guys like this vlog. What vlog was it? Vlog 8. Yeah, vlog 8. I hope you guys like it. I liked it. I have to eat all of this later. I only finished 2. I didn't finish this or red sticks. I'm not done with this either, but yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!